Simple Trends. Let's make 2 easy laddus in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. I have taken 250 grams of dried fruits and nuts. You can vary the proportion according to your taste. There is no cooking needed for this and it can be made and stored for 15 to 20 days. I have used 50 grams of dried figs, 50 grams of broken cashew nuts, 100 grams of seedless dates. I have taken the soft dark variety for this. I don't use the Kimia dates as it becomes like a paste when pulsed. 50 grams of almonds or badam. I have not added walnuts or pistachios as they give out an oily taste when stored for a few days. You can use hazelnuts and melon seeds if you like the taste. I will pulse the cashew nuts and almonds in a mixer jar and grind them coarsely. It should not become a powder as the crunchy bits in the laddu gives a very great texture. This will be an excellent post-workout snack. Instead of the sugar-laden workout energy bars you get in the market, you can make these and have it as a healthier option. I will chop the figs and dates roughly and then put all these in a mixer jar and pulse them. You can use this as a midday snack or a dessert after meals. Since there is no added sugar or ghee or butter, you can enjoy a small portion of it guilt-free. I will pulse these in a mixer jar so it will be easy to bind them as laddus. The dates and figs will give the necessary stickiness to bind them well. Now that the festival of Navratri is going to begin in a week, you can offer these as prasad and when you are fasting, you can have this. It gives you instant energy and is loaded with the benefits of iron and other minerals too. A must for women especially. This will encourage us to snack healthy also. For this quantity, I was able to get around 11 medium-sized laddus. Now to the next variety. With the easiest available rich protein source, the chutney dal or pottu kadalai. I have taken 100 grams or 1 cup of this chutney dal. 100 grams of grated jaggery or 3/4 cups of jaggery. You can use any cup for measurement. For 1 cup of pottu kadalai, you can take 3/4 cups of jaggery. There is no need to make any jaggery syrup or lots of ghee needed to bind this. In a kadai, I add half teaspoon of ghee and roast the chutney dal on a low flame for a few minutes till they turn crisp. There is no need for the chutney dal to change color. If it changes color, the burnt taste will come in the laddu. Since the chutney dal is a good protein source, this will also make a good post-workout snack. Filled with the goodness of jaggery, it enriches the iron content in blood. Add this to the mixer jar, add the jaggery, blend well when it is hot. It is enough if you blend them for a minute. Transfer the powder to a bowl and begin shaping the laddus immediately. There is no need for an extra drop of ghee. The jaggery will help to shape the laddus. You can fry a few cashew nuts in ghee and add while shaping the laddus, but I prefer to make it this way. This also stays good for a week. These are excellent snacks box items and is a good way to include nuts and dates and other healthy options in a kid's diet. For this quantity, I got 12 medium-sized laddus. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments with me. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notification on our new videos. For more simple and easy healthy recipes, stay tuned to Simple Trends. Bye.